I want to bring in Scott Bauer. Let's trade the thing. He's the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, looking at Costco as well. All right, so we know the e-commerce part is not as big of a story for Costco, even though they're growing it, Scott. So how do you approach this thing? Technicals, fundamentals, what?
Yes, yes, and yes. I mean, you look at this stock, it's hard not to like this stock long term. I just think going into this earnings report, it's a little muddy, and that doesn't mean I'm bearish at all. I just think that there's a lot going on macro-wise that can, really just make this report maybe not as what it seems. Good report, maybe the stock doesn't rally. Bad report, maybe the stock does rally here. I don't see technically here any big bullish or bearish reason, although longer term, I'm definitely bullish. And that's why I like the type of trade here called an iron condor. And this is a trade, it's a one-day trade, Oliver. Earnings are out after the close today. This thing is going to be hit or miss for tomorrow. I'm using tomorrow's expiration. And what an iron condor is I'm playing both sides here, and I'm playing the expected range that the option market is pricing in. And that move is about a $9.50 range or so, one direction or the other. So 233 to 252-ish right now is the range, with the stock trading 242. So I'm selling a downside put spread, selling the 235, 230 strike put spread. I'm also selling an upside call spread, the 250, 255 call spread. I can collect about $2 for that. Okay, again, it's a one-day trade. This is not an investment. One-day trade, hit or miss. And what I'm looking for is the probability that the stock stays within that range.
All right, so this is interesting because when we look around the retail space, we're getting these big moves, right? This quarter, huge declines, a couple huge rallies. L Brands was up like 20% after our own earnings. PVH this morning was down 7%. But your thought is here, there's not as much kind of cross currents for Costco. And I kind of sympathize with that, given what Mike and I were just talking about. This is a company that's been pretty stable in terms of its environment around it for retail.
Yeah, no doubt about it. Although I will tell you that expected move of about $9.50, which is roughly 4 to 4.5% priced in, that is a tad higher than normal. So the market is anticipating a little bit larger of a move. But again, I'm playing that range. If it goes outside that range, okay, I know what my maximum risk is. I'm stopped out on one direction or the other. I'm just playing the probabilities on this one.
Yeah, all right, I like it. Probabilistic trading, Scott Bauer.
That's right.
I like it. Mr. B is the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. We will catch up with you, Scott. Thanks for the trade coming to us from the CBO. We'll be right back.